Hello students, let us start question number 2 of exercise 6.3. 6.3 question number 2 says that angle x 62, angle x is given 62 degree, angle y means xyz, xyz is given 54, OI and OZ, these two are bisector. Are the bisector of these two angles x, y and x. What is the meaning of bisector? Meaning of bisector is what? Suppose this is the angle, this is the angle 50 degree. This is A, B, C. If one new line is BD, and if you say that BD is a bisector, if BD is a bisector, that means this is 25 and this is 25. Okay, half. Bisector means it will divide the angle equally. Now we need to find OZY. YOZ, that means this triangle. So first we will find angle Z how much. So we'll start the proof. Angle XYZ is 54. Angle XYZ is how much? 54. Given. Therefore, angle OYZ is half of 54. This complete angle is 54, then OYZ means this much only is how much? Half of 54. Why? Because OY is a bisector. Here we have to write OY is bisector. OY is bisector, that's why it is half. We'll cut it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. That means how much? 27 degree. This one we got 27 degree. But question is not to find this angle. Question is find these two. But without this, we cannot go forward. Now, and in triangle XYZ, now we'll find the Z is how much. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum angles property. Sum angles property of a triangle. Sum angles property of a triangle. That means sum of the three angles of a triangle is how much? 180. That's why it is 180. Angle X is given 62. Angle X is given 62 degree. Angle Y is given how much? Angle X is 62, angle Y means what? This all, all 54 degree, and angle Z we don't know, so 180. So angle Z is equal to 180. You will transfer this to 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11. That means 116. 60 plus 50 is 11, and 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. So 116. So we are getting how much? So we are getting 180 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And this 7 minus 1 is 6. So 64 degree. So this one we are getting how much? 64 degree. This much. Now the second part. Now, therefore now we'll find this one. All we got how much? 64. Now we'll find this one how much? OZY. Now angle OZY. Question is also find OZY. Now OZY. So OZY is equal to half of 64. OZY is the half of 64. Why? Because OZ is the bisector. OZ is the bisector. This one you will write this side, okay? Because there is no place, that's why I am writing here. But you will do this side only. So this 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. That means 32 degree. So this one we got how much? 32 degree. Now easily we can find this one, okay? Now in triangle OYZ. Now we are going for the triangle OYZ. So when you go for the OYZ, you have three angles, all will plus. Angle OYZ plus OZY plus angle O means ZO YOZ is equal to 180. YOZ plus OZY plus OYZ, three angles. Okay, three angles are how much? 180. What do you write here? Sum angles property of a triangle. Now OYZ is how much? OYZ is 27 degree. OZY how much? 32 degree. And YOZ how much? We don't know, we are searching it. So YOZ is equal to 180 degree. We'll transfer these two. This 7 plus 2 is 9 and 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. So 59 degree. 7 plus 2 9 and 2 plus 3 5, 59 degree. Now when we do minus, how much? 1. Okay, and this is how much? 7 minus 5 2 and 1, how much? 121 degree. Question is fine. OZY, so OZY we got how much? 32. And YOZ, so YOZ we got how much? 121. This is a simple solution.